guys, as promised, we have another video review for week 6 to week 11. In week 6, we talk about higher order thinking skills or HOTS. What is HOTS? HOTS or higher order thinking skills are skills involving analysis, evaluation, and synthesis. The synthesis is actually creation of new knowledge. Does that remind you of some theories? Yep, you're right. It's related to Bloom taxonomy. Bloom found the Bloom taxonomy in 1956, starting from knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. But in 2001, one of the students of Bloom actually revised the Bloom taxonomy. So from noun changed to verb form. Knowledge becoming remember, comprehension becoming understand, application becoming apply, analysis becoming analyze, synthesis becoming create, and evaluation becoming evaluate. If you notice, actually the sequence of synthesis and evaluation has been reversed in the new Bloom taxonomy. Evaluate first and then create. So the old one, the original Bloom taxonomy that was found in 1956, we call the original Bloom taxonomy. And the new one that was founded in 2001, we call that revised Bloom taxonomy. Practically, we use HOTS in problem solving, including solving mathematics problem and any other problem in our daily life. In week 7, we discuss about derivative. Derivative, it's actually all about slope. What is slope? Slope is actually the change in y over the change in x. To find derivative of a function, see, for example, y equal to fx, we use slope formula. So the slope is change in y over change in x, or the symbol that we actually use for change is that triangle. So the derivative of is written d dx. So d dx of x squared is 2x, or it can be written in another way. F dash x is 2x. So f dash x is actually mean the derivative of function x. In week 9, we talk about factor. A factor has magnitude or size and direction. I think you remember what actually differentiate factor and scalar. Do you? Addition. We can actually add two factors by joining them head to tail. Subtraction. We could subtract two factors by reversing the direction of the factor and then add them as usual. In week 10, we have covered quadratic equation. Its name is actually come from quad. Quad means square. So one of the example of quadratic equation is x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. We could also have a standard form for quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And then we could change any non-standard quadratic equation to the standard form. For example, we have x squared equal to 3x minus 1. Let's change it to the standard form. We need to move all terms to left hand side. So now it becomes x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 1. And then we can get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to 1. In week 11, we learn about probability. Probability is actually means how likely something is to happen. Likely also means chance, also means probability. The other two terms that you will hear a lot when you talk about probability is actually happen and event. The other terms that you will come across a lot are also tossing a coin or throwing a dice. The probability of an event happening is equals to numbers of ways it can happen over total number of outcomes. You have to remember that the probability is always between 0 to 1. 0 means it is impossible to happen. 1 means it will certainly happen. The closer the probability to 1 means the bigger possibility of an event to happen. And this is the end of this video. I'll see you again in the next video.